everyone, I'm Tara and this is my 2007 BMW 335i hardtop convertible. Today I'll be removing all the wood trim from the interior of my car, like this stuff. It looks like this. And I'm going to be wrapping it with a gloss black vinyl, like that.
Use a plastic pry tool so you don't damage the interior. That's all I use to remove all 8 pieces. Between the middle vents are 2 cables you need to disconnect by pulling them out really hard, then disconnect the ignition cable, which is much easier. The center console was tricky as it had 3 cables connected, but also a single wire that I had to disconnect separately.
Okay, I bought a roll of Avery gloss black vinyl. This is 5 feet by 5 feet, which is way more than I need, but since it's my first time, I wanted to have a lot of extra to play around with. I've got a heat gun, a knife. This is a precision knife, which is much more accurate. A little squeegee and something to clean your trim with. So I've got some rubbing alcohol and a little wipe.
This is my very first time wrapping anything, so I started with the door panel pieces because they're the easiest. Use a heat gun to stretch out and smooth the corners. I then did the small side vent piece to practice cutting holes. The small piece took me 20 minutes, whereas the big ones took me about an hour. Now the center console was really annoying because of the ashtray and the other holes to cut. It did not turn out perfect, but if you have more patience than me, you can keep on trying until it is perfect. And here's the interior before with the wood grain look that I personally don't like. And now here's the gloss black vinyl wrap, which I think looks so much more sleek. Not bad for under $50 in a weekend project.
KHODROiD.com. Auto parts and accessories online shop.